So, tell everyone, how was your experience today?
My experience was great. I had so much fun. I would do it again. She's the best.
Thank you.
Only thing I don't like
is the what?
Is these.
Hey you guys, it's Dijanae here again. I am back with a brand new video. Now in today's video, it's going to be another tutorial, but this time I'm actually going to be showing you guys how I make a Polaroid dress for someone else. And I'm kind of excited about this because I've been getting like a lot of email requests and like requests via Instagram for me to make Polaroids for you guys, like a Polaroid dress for you guys. So I wanted to show you guys the process of me doing it once again on someone else with a different body shape, because I am slender. And this person, she has a little bit more curves than I do. So I wanted to show you guys that. I'm going to, before I even start, I'm actually waiting for her to come. She's coming to get her makeup done, hair and stuff, or whatever the case may be. I'm just gonna run a list of all the things that I'll be using for this process once again. All right, first things first, we are going to be using this Polaroid camera. It is the One Step Plus. I actually got this one because it's a little bit more advanced than most Polaroid cameras. You actually can use a Bluetooth feature set up on your phone. When I was doing it myself, I actually had the feature on my phone, and I just was like, you know, putting a timer on and then just like posing. But yeah, there's another way that you can do it, but I just feel like I don't really want to I just felt like it was a little bit more easier for me because I have the Polaroid. But I'll link down below in the description box of the video. I saw someone actually using just like a regular phone or regular camera and then just going to Staples and using a certain type of setting when it came to making the Polaroid dress. All right, so I actually bought this, now y'all know I had a hard time last time. It's the Eyelet Puncher. Now I could have got one that was a little bit smaller. So when you go to buy these on Amazon, make sure that you find a size that is more to your liking. Like this size, I forgot the size of it. I'll have it linked up somewhere, a picture somewhere here or there. But these are just like a little bit bigger. So yeah, these are just like a little bit bigger or whatever. There's one that are small, but I think the small ones will come out cute, but this is just big. And yeah, I thought it was appropriate for me, but if you want to get something a little bit smaller, you guys can get it. It comes with this and comes with this. Next is the actual Polaroid film. Now actually she went to go buy that, so she's bringing it for me. I'll put it up there too. I think I used maybe like 25, but that's because I didn't want my full body. Like I just did 25 so it could just like cover certain sides. And I used a little ribbon to like hold it up or whatever. But yeah, so it depends on how many you want to fit your body. If you want it to go all the way around your body, then I would suggest maybe getting like 5 to 6 packs of it, because it's actually, it comes like 8 in one film roll, but it's 2 in a box, so you end up getting 16. So 16 each box. So it's up to you how many you want, how many you feel comfortable with getting. And lastly, I use these little keychain rings to help link them together. Those are just, that's not that girl. Them keychain rings, putting that together, that's a doozy. I'm gonna use gloves when I do it, because the last time that I did it, I actually damaged my nails really bad, and my nails are already short. So I just feel like I'm gonna try to see if I can finesse my way into doing it without harming my nails. So yeah, I'm just waiting for her to come, and when she comes, I will show you guys what it's giving, okay? Okay, her. Alright, so
I'll call you back.
We just got finished taking photos or whatever, and these how her photos came out. So let's see. Alright, as you can see, they came out cute. Here she is.
Wait, y'all.
I'm crying.
Y'all see me. It's my birthday.
Period. This is the shoot for.
Yeah, see. You see this?
So we about to punch these holes through them.
Yes.
Alright, so maybe like 3-4 hours later, I'm done with the dress or whatever. Broke my nail. You can't see. Let me see. Oh, this was my face in it. Ew. But anyway, I broke my nail. I keep trying to show this little broken nail. Anyway, I digress. So this is how it actually came out. My muse is in the bathroom putting her baby oil on, baby oiling it up. So let's see. Came out really, really bomb, really, really cute, really, really nice. I really love a lot of her pictures. And I made sure to put the ones that we really, really loved in the middle, because those are the ones that will probably be seen the most. And yeah, so we about to switch on over to my phone because I'm about to use my camera to actually take the pictures for her photo shoot. Her. So, tell everyone, how was your experience today?
My experience was great. I had so much fun. I would do it again. She's the best.
Thank you.
Only thing I don't like
is the what?
is these. Look at my nails.
Show
So
them
just
your
don't
nails.
do them with nails on, okay?
Period.
But other than that, you see the finished product. Yes, I'm happy. I can't wait to see what my pictures look like. Hit my girl up. Take your pictures, send them to her. She'll make your dress.
Her.
Her.
Alright, so don't mind me or whatever. I just actually came from a photo shoot. But yeah, so here's the pictures so you guys can see how they came out. Now, I actually ended up having to take these pictures on my iPhone 12. I had to do it on my iPhone 12. I was actually like using my camera at first, but like the camera that I have the G7X Mark I3, and that's more so made for like vlogging versus actually taking like, you know, pictures, like professional pictures. So my phone actually did work, so you know, you don't really need too much equipment for this. Yeah, and that's it. I hope you guys enjoyed. I hope you guys, you know, took something from this video. I am in the process of getting a PO box so that I can actually, you know, make these dresses for you guys if you guys send me the picture. So please keep a lookout for that, and thank you for watching my video. I will see you guys on the next one.